Let's rush on through. It's also interesting that the ancient Sumerian tablets also give the exact same account of the biblical flood, with the only notable exception. There's two notable exceptions. One is that, of course, in the Bible his name is Noah, and in the ancient Sumerian tablets his name is Utnapishtim or something like that. The one thing I find that's a little bit different too, but really brought a light bulb over my head, I had always had trouble with this idea of two of every animals on board this ship. But I did figure out where they went to the bathroom. On the poop deck. No, that's terrible. But I never really could figure out. They got lions and tigers and sheep and goats, and they're all there side by side. How could that work? Well, in the ancient Sumerian tablets, it doesn't say they took two of every animal. It says they took the seed of every living thing. Oops, hello. Now I see, instead of a boatload of animals, you've got one little closet on board this ark that has DNA tissue in it. And they can reconstruct all of the, and you know that's going on right now? Do you know that they are storing away DNA tissue on plants, animals, everything on this planet. So if there is some sort of huge cataclysm, that they hopefully can rebuild everything. Now, what's also interesting to me is that how many of y'all are like Celtic music and all this good stuff? Yeah, it's kind of a fad right now. Are you aware that the Celts and the Druids did not originate in the British Isles? They migrated from Iraq, Mesopotamia. In fact, there were two mass migrations. One went up through the Caucasus Mountains, came in through Eastern Europe, ended up over in the British Isles. They were known as the Druids. And the primitive people who were there worshipped them because they had knowledge, they knew things, they knew how to do things. And of course the other came into Egypt, and from Egypt to Greece, from Greece to the Romans, and then on into the Western civilization. In fact, the whole history of Western civilization has been one constant movement to the West. And when Europe filled up and the British Isles filled up, then they came to America, and the East Coast filled up. And during the 1800s it was